We are almost reaching Nuagang. It is one of the last village, the Tiprasa village of Tripura border, Churaibari, before Churaibari border, and I very much thankful to all the Tiprasa, those who are helping and those who are encouraging me to achieve this almost 200-kilometer walk from Agartala to Churaibari. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, Hambai. Sibai, Hambai. And I must thank our brother and most energetic EM, Land and Revenue Department of TTADC, Brother Baburanjan Riyang, for his accompany in this long march, and also thanks to our brother and prominent advocate of Tiprasa, Brother Anthony, for coming to boost this movement, and all the senior citizens of Agartala, they are also coming here to support and to give energy. Thank you very much, Hambai. Thank you, and I'm very much thankful to I am very much thankful to police and police personnel and departments, those who are helping this movement and secure us to I'm very tired right now, so I can speak properly. So many people are gathering around me, and thank you very much. Fan is there. And of course, Orabda and Sentuda, they are also coming here to boost this movement, district movement. So, thank you very much to all. Kolomka Tiprasa, Kolomka Northeast, and this movement is not only for Tripura. This movement is for whole Northeast and also for the whole India, because I am also the son of Bharat Mata, and अगर भारत माता को बचाना है तो हम लोग को एक साथ लड़ना है. Tripura secure होगा if we able to secure Tripura, if we able to secure Northeast, if we able to secure the demography of Tripura and Northeast, then we can secure India. Bharat Mata ki jai, Tiprasa Zindabad, Northeast Unity Zindabad. Hambai.